Hello, preschool boys and girls. It's good to talk with you. I miss you. Do you remember when Miss Angie told you about your 5 senses? I have my hand here with 5 fingers. Remember, we see, we smell, we hear, we taste, and we touch. So it's easy to remember because you have a hand with 5 fingers. We see with our eyes, we smell with our nose, we hear with our ears, we taste with our mouth, and we touch with our fingers. Very easy to remember. I think you can probably remember that and tell your moms and your dads. I have 3 things from my kitchen. Let's find out the senses we can use for each thing that I have. First of all, I'm going to tell you that I see a lemon. What color is it? I smell the lemon. Do you know what a lemon smells like? I touch the lemon. It is smooth and it has a couple bumps on it, very small bumps. I can taste the lemon. It is sour and it makes me pucker up. And guess what? I can even hear a lemon. Sometimes we might not use all 5 senses at the same time, but I have something right here, and if I squeeze the lemon, you might hear the juice fall into the cup. So I did use all 5 senses. Now, what is this? Salt. I can see the salt. What color is it? I can taste the salt. You know what salt tastes like. I can feel the salt. It feels a bit gritty, like the sand in our sensory table. Can I smell the salt? Not really, but someday, and maybe some of you have already done this, if you go to the ocean, you might smell the salty water of an ocean. So now I have something else I'm going to think about. I have one more sense here that I have to think about, and it's, can I hear the salt? I'm pouring the salt. I think what I heard was the salt going into the pan. I'm going to shake the salt. Did you hear that shaking? So, can I hear the salt? A little bit. It depends upon what I'm doing with the salt. But one thing that you can do with salt at home, if your mom and your dad say it's okay, is this. You can draw your letter, the first letter of your name, and maybe even all the letters in your name in the salt, in the pan. So that could be a fun thing to do at home. I have one more thing I want to talk about with the 5 senses. Do you have any of these in your kitchen? A cookie. I can see the cookie. It is brown. And this cookie has oatmeal, white chocolate chips, and cranberries. I can smell the cookie. I think it smells good. Do you like to smell cookies? This one has a bit of cinnamon in it, and remember when there was cinnamon in the sensory table? So I can smell cinnamon in my cookie. I can touch the cookie. It is bumpy and it's a bit soft. Can I hear the cookie? Not really, unless it's trying to say, eat me, like a cookie monster might want to do. Okay, I can taste the cookie. I guess I am a cookie monster today.